when you close it, press start. It'll automatically go for a minute.
Okay.
Mr. Chance here accidentally broke his System of a Down CD, sadly. So
I've been rocking too hard for years and decided to go out in a blaze of glory. So it's going to do the one thing, System of a Down can do: go out in a blaze.
Toxic. You ready to do this?
Sad day.
Tell me when.
Lights.
It's like I'm watching RoboCop.
Binary codes.
The 80s movie. Just say awesome.
yeah, that's starting to stink.
Yeah, it smells terrible.
That smells so good.
Open it, open it, open it.
Yeah, that's probably not healthy.
Get that out of my
Ooh, yeah, let's breathe in plastic.
Oh, wow.
melted.
It's liquid. Yeah. This thing's cooked. It's crystallized everywhere.
Farewell, System of a Down.